Hello friends, welcome to this video on arrow functions in JavaScript. Arrow functions were introduced in ES6 version of JavaScript, and these functions allows us to create functions in a better and concise way as compared to the regular JavaScript functions. The older way of declaring an anonymous function in JavaScript is that we use function keyword and then curly brackets, and inside curly brackets we create the function body. But to declare an arrow function, we don't use the function keyword, and inside the parentheses we can receive n number of arguments. We use an arrow pointing to the curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets we can add the statements of function body. Let us see an example arrow function. We have created a variable multiply and assigned it an arrow function, and inside the parentheses we are accepting two parameters x and y, and then there is an arrow, and after the arrow there are curly brackets, and inside these brackets we have defined the function body that returns the product of x and y, and the function is called as a regular function and the output is shown over here. There is a shorter syntax for arrow functions that if there is only one statement in the function, then we can omit braces and the return keyword, because we have only one statement inside the function body, so we have omitted the braces and the return keyword as well. Let us create and run these functions inside the browser. Open the browser and go to jsbin.com, where we will execute our JavaScript code. Inside jsbin.com you can click only the JavaScript and console, because we will not add any HTML or CSS. Click on run button and you can see the result over here. I will comment out this function and create its shorter syntax version. And you can see that same result is returned by the function. We can use arrow functions as an expression. The marks variable is assigned the value 45, and here we check that if marks are greater than 45, then an arrow function will execute and it will print pass, otherwise it will print fail. So let us discuss some limitations of these functions. First of all, we cannot use new operator and create a constructor with arrow functions. If we have an arrow function sum and we want to create an object of this function, so we cannot do this because sum is not a constructor. An important consideration while using arrow functions is use of this keyword. You cannot use this keyword inside an arrow function, and these functions should not be used inside the object. If we try to use this keyword will refer to the global object outside of this function and it will throw an error. Next, we'll discuss about the parameter bindings for arrow functions. Parameter bindings does not work inside arrow functions as it works in the conventional function. If you pass the parameters to a function, then these parameters can be accessed using arguments reserve keyword. But inside arrow functions, the arguments reserve keyword throws an error. To work around this error, we can use the spread operator. So this brings us to the end of this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.